all my CoMo cook peeps out there. Today I'm going to show you how to use our vegetable slicer attachment. We use this for all kinds of purposes in the kitchen. I'm going to show you a basic way to put this together. First, you'll need to attach the attachment with the screw. Make sure that you screw that attachment into that front part so that it's nice and tight. The next step is the slicer blade. So the slicer blade adjusts to whatever size you need it to. You just twist it until you find the size that you want for your vegetables. And then you place it into the attachment. There's a little button back here. You pull it up and you push it in and it locks it in place. Make sure you put on the chute. This is a safety chute. Hold your vegetables and slices them. Make sure it is locked. Once those three things, you can get set up. I use a cart underneath the machine with a bowl to catch what I need to have sliced today. And so today I'm just going to slice some cucumbers and carrots. I mean onions, not carrots. So we have to make sure that all the safety precautions are taken care of. So lift the handle, close the gate, make sure the timer is on, and then you'll press the green start button. Once that starts, the blade starts spinning and your vegetables will just shoot out. As you can see here, I'm just doing sliced cucumbers and onions just to show you how this works. A little marinade and they'll be good for dinner. Get them all sliced. You can put as many in there as you want to. Oh, there's an onion. Finish that. Well, there it is. Here's Paul using the vegetable slicer to shred cabbage. Now he's using a different blade because we do have some blade attachments. They're prepping all of the cabbage and just feeding it into the chute and directly into his fermenting buckets. That's Missouri Brinery. I hope you liked my video. Be sure to like and follow us.